This ANCIMOON 72-piece JIC Cap and Plug assortment gives mechanics and technicians a reliable way to quickly seal hydraulic hoses and fittings during maintenance or emergency repairs. The set covers a wide spread of common hydraulic sizes from small 1/4-inch lines up to 1 inch, so a single kit handles most shop and field situations. Each piece uses the 37-degree flare standard with precise threading, which helps them start cleanly, seat correctly, and hold pressure without weeping. The caps and plugs are made from strong carbon steel with a protective finish, so they tolerate high heat, heavy pressure, and corrosive environments better than softer or uncoated hardware. A rugged, water-resistant organizer case keeps all 72 fittings sorted, clearly labeled, and protected from damage, making it easy to grab the exact size you need on site. Overall, this kit feels like a thoughtfully put-together solution for anyone who routinely works on hydraulic systems and wants dependable leak control in a compact, portable package.